Suzi's counter puzzle. I'm going to use Suzi to help us work out some maths today. Welcome to Suzi's puzzle. Suzi has a Marima dog, Ted the Anzac, and our friend the fairy penguin on her counter at work. Every day she likes to put them in a different order. The first day she has the dog first, the bear in the middle, and then the penguin on the end. On day 2 she has a fairy penguin first, then Ted, then the Marima dog. Your challenge today is to work out how many different ways Suzi can put the animals in different orders before she has to repeat them. In other words, how many different ways can Suzi arrange the 3 animals or toys? You can use 3 of your toys to work out Suzi's puzzle. In this case, I've got 3 cars. Now, to help work it out, I need to record what I'm doing so I can count and make sure I don't repeat the pattern, because that's what I'm making. I'm making patterns. When I mean record, I don't just mean using your iPad. I'm taking pictures or sounds, but you can record using pencil and paper, which is often a better way. Now, in this one, I'm showing you how I did my 3 cards, or how I started to do my 3 cards. I can use the colour, which is nice and easy to see if I've got the same pattern again, or you can use things like just the initials for your cars: dark green, light green, orange. And then the second one I did, dark green, orange, light green. So you work out a good way to record. For Suzi's puzzle, it'd be too hard to draw the dog and the Ted and the penguin, so I just used initials to help me. So M for the Marina, whatever his dog's name is, T for Ted, and P. And then in the second picture, how Suzi lined it up. So I'm going to find out how many different ways we can line up the 3 of them. If you think you've got all the answers, you can upload your work on the activity on Seesaw and tell me how you know you've got all the answers or all the different ways you can do it. I'll give you a clue. I reckon there's more than 5. But that's given me another thought. What happens if there's 4 toys on the counter or on the shelf? How many different ways could you put your 4 toys before you have to repeat one of them? How many different ways can you put your 4 toys? Will it be more, or will it be less than 3? See if you can explore and find out. And again, once you've done that, upload your answers onto Seesaw.